So guys, let's see a small installation and a review of MITV 4A.
My life is a party, my home is the club. I party like a rock star, dance until I drop. My life is a party, my home is the club.
So guys, in the package you'll get these brackets which will be installed in the back side of the TV. As you can see, the technician is installing the brackets, and after the installation of brackets, the wall mount is of rupees about 400. So you have to purchase that from the technician, or you can buy it from a local market. So it costs about 399, or you can say 400. So this is the bracket, or you can say wall mount thing. So the technician will mount it on your wall, or if you have the TV box, it will be installed like this. And yes guys, the installation is not provided by the MI. Basically on the part of MI, GVs, a company, so the engineer of GVs will come and install for you the MI TV for free of cost, but this wall mount, the cost is 400 rupees. And yes, you can get that TV mount wall for free. So this is the first boot of the MI TV 4A, and yes, this is 32-inch variant. And the guys, listen carefully, the screen is only having 720 pixels, so this is not a 1080p, or you can say full HD. It's just HD TV, that is 720p or 720 pixels. So this is the 32-inch TV, and if you leave it for 2 minutes, it will automatically goes to the screensaver mode. And yes guys, this is a 3-star rated TV, so basically it will also save your electricity. And if we see on the left side of the TV, there is nothing, blank black plastic, and this is a screen, 32-inch 720p screen. And if we see on the right side of the TV, so you'll get you'll get audio video ports, then 3 HDMI ports. Yes, you'll get 3 HDMI ports, and just below that you'll get 2 USB port. One is 3.2 and second is 2.0, and after below that you'll get that old antenna port which is useless now. So guys, that's it for this video. This is a small unboxing and installation, and the installation time will take about 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. So it is easy to install TV basically, but yes, you have to spend 400 rupees if you want to mount it on the wall. And if you want to mount it on the, basically tabletop, then you'll get free 2 stands, bottom stands. So guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you like this video, small video of unboxing, not unboxing, installation and review. And that's it for this video guys. Stay tuned for more galvanizing videos like this, and if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon, so that you will be notified each and every time whenever I upload a new video. Okay guys, bye bye.